What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about how to use Pipiads to find winning products. Pipiads is a leading advertising intelligence tool specializing in TikTok and Facebook ads. It enables users to discover winning products by analyzing successful ad campaigns, tracking competitor strategies, and accessing extensive ad data. With features like an ad library and performance metrics, Pipiads empowers e-commerce entrepreneurs to optimize their advertising efforts and identify high-potential items for drop shipping. To effectively use Pipiads for finding winning products, you can follow these 5 steps. Register and explore features. Start by creating an account on Pipiads. Once registered, familiarize yourself with the platform's features such as the TikTok ads library and product search tools. Understanding these functionalities is crucial for navigating the extensive database of ads, identifying potential winning products that align with your business goals. Utilize the TT Ad Search tool. Access the TT Ad Search feature to browse through TikTok advertisements. Use the available filters to narrow down your search based on criteria like engagement metrics and publication date. This tool allows you to view trending ads and analyze their performance, helping you identify which products are gaining traction among consumers. Analyze competitor ads. Investigate your competitors' ad campaigns using Pipiads analysis tools. By studying successful ads from similar businesses, you can gain insights into effective strategies, messaging, and creative elements. This competitive analysis will inform your own advertising approach and help you discover products that resonate with your target audience. Conduct product searches. Use the product search feature to find high-potential items quickly. Input relevant keywords related to your niche and examine the results based on engagement, impressions, and sales data. This focused search will streamline your product discovery process, allowing you to pinpoint items that are likely to perform well in your dropshipping store. Monitor performance metrics. After selecting potential winning products, consistently monitor their performance metrics through Pipiads. Analyze engagement rates, click-through rates, and overall ad effectiveness. This ongoing evaluation will help you refine your marketing strategies and make data-driven decisions about which products to promote or discontinue based on their success in the market. By following these steps, you can effectively identify winning products. This systematic approach will enhance your marketing strategy and increase your chances of success in the dynamic e-commerce landscape. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.